Hello everyone and welcome back to another week. Hard to believe this has been a whirlwind of a ride this summer. We are in week 7. So big things that are due this week is that you have lecture exam 3. That is the last lecture exam that you absolutely have to take. That is going to be due this week. And then you also have just like your lab stuff, and then you have like as far as like doing the McGraw-Hill Connect lab, and then you have an assignment that's on Blackboard. So right now I'm just looking at the schedule for our class, and then I'll go pop down to the lab schedule here. That in the lab schedule, just the nervous system and the special senses there. So those are going to be those things that are due or deliverables or things that need to be done this week. And then next week in week 8, you have your optional final exam. And remember, if your grade is a C or higher, that final exam is optional. You don't have to take that, but it will be due on August 2nd. And then also next week, I want you to take that time to catch up on missing work because, as I've told you all before, I will accept work that is late up until I submit your final grades. So let's go ahead and pop over here to Blackboard. And what you see here on Blackboard is that things that are due in week 7 is that we have brain anatomy and function, the remainder of the lectures for chapter 18, the endocrine system, and then also that brain anatomy and function. That's all on one PowerPoint. It's all in one YouTube lecture. And then you also have your mind maps that are due, and then you have a McGraw-Hill Connect assignment that's due, and the McGraw-Hill Connect assignment, your mind map, and your exam are all going to be due on Sunday. So just as a recap, you've got an exam this week, you've got a mind map you need to construct this week, and you have a lab that you need to do this week. Those will be all things that are due on Sunday. Your exam's going to cover the rest of the things that this is the last little bit of new information that you guys are going to learn here, and that be the brain anatomy and the rest of the endocrine, which is what your exam is going to cover. And then next week, use that as a time to catch up for things that are missing. If you are all caught up and you are happy with your grade, you are officially done after Sunday. Isn't that crazy? So if you're all finished up with everything, if you have a few odds and ends to catch up, then don't worry about that. You'll have that time next week to clean that stuff up and to get those items submitted, because as I said, I will accept missing assignments up until I turn the final grades in. But for this week, let's work on getting the lectures completed in preparation for your exam, your mind map, and your McGraw-Hill Connect stuff submitted and turned in. Until next time, have a great week, and I will be talking to you again for week 8. Bye.